Gonna get a hair transplant, go to a practice that's solely dedicated in hair transplants, not someone that's dabbling. There's a lot of doctors out there, plastic surgeons, dermatologists, where they're dabbling. They may be in one room doing blephs, another room doing breasts, doing rhino. They may do 2, 3, 4 procedures a month in the hair, on the hair side. Here at Robotic Hair Restoration Long Island, we do one thing and one thing only. We do hair restoration. We do one per day, 100% of the focus is on you, and we do nothing else. Also extremely important, Dr. Gohill is with you the entire day, never leaves your side. From the second you get in at 7:30 in the morning to when you leave, whether it be at 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, depending on the size of the procedure, Dr. Gohill is with you the entire time. There's no one else here in this office but you. As a matter of fact, Dr. Gohill sometimes won't even do a consult during the procedure because he feels he should not leave the patient by himself.